In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're just getting started with Printify, you probably have a lot of questions about their payment structure and how to manage your payments effectively. Don't worry, we're going to unpack everything step by step, so you'll walk away feeling confident about paying Printify for your orders and services. First things first, you need to understand what Printify is all about. Printify is a print-on-demand service that's perfect for anyone looking to sell custom products. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases, they have you covered. Once your customer places an order, Printify takes care of the printing and shipping, but you'll need to pay them for their services. So how do you get started with paying Printify? The process is straightforward. You will initially need to set up an account with Printify if you haven't already. The registration process involves providing your email address and creating a password. Once you're in, you can connect your Printify account to your online store, like Shopify or Etsy, so that everything runs seamlessly. After you've set up your account, it's important to add a payment method. Printify accepts a few different forms of payment, primarily credit cards. Head to the billing section in your account dashboard to begin this process. You'll find options to add your credit card details. Simply enter your card number, expiration date, and the security code. Make sure to double-check everything you've entered to avoid any hiccups later on. An important thing to keep in mind is that Printify charges you when an order is placed. So when a customer buys a product from your store, Printify will automatically deduct the printing and shipping costs from your credit card on file. This means you don't have to worry about manually making payments for each order. It's all done automatically, which saves you time and potential headaches. Now let's talk about order fulfillment. When an order is placed on your online store, Printify will process it based on the details you've set up in your product catalog. They will print your product, package it, and ship it directly to your customer, charging you for the production costs, as mentioned earlier. Please remember to review your prices on your online store to ensure that what you're charging customers is above the cost from Printify, allowing you to make a profit. Another important aspect of paying Printify involves your subscription options. Printify offers both a free plan and paid plans that provide additional benefits and features. If you find yourself using the platform frequently and looking for more capabilities, considering a paid plan might be worthwhile. Under the pricing section of their website, you will find details about each plan's costs, along with what features you can expect at each level. If at any point you're unsure about your payment or how much you're being charged, Printify has an excellent support system. You can always reach out to their customer service for assistance. They can help clarify any charges you see on your account or assist you with any payment issues you might encounter. As we wrap this up, I'd like to remind you that successfully managing payments on Printify is crucial for your business operations. Understanding how to pay for your orders, set up your payment method, and choose the right plan plays a big role in ensuring your experience is smooth and profitable. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting your journey in print on demand, I hope this guide on how to pay Printify